Hello, friends. Welcome to Crack Defense. Here we'll discuss vitamins and minerals. We have two types of vitamins and minerals. They are water soluble and fat soluble. And fat soluble minerals are of four types. They are A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Okay, so the scientific name for vitamin A is retinol. Vitamin D, the scientific name is calciferol. For vitamin E, it is tocopherol, and for vitamin K, it is thiaminadione. Okay, so these are the names, and the scientific name is also important. And they can ask you a question. They can give you certain vitamins, and they can ask you whether this vitamin is fat soluble or whether it is water soluble. So you need to know that these are fat soluble vitamins. So vitamin A, D, E, and K, they are fat soluble. Now if we talk about water soluble, so water soluble vitamins are those which dissolve in water, and fat soluble vitamins are those which dissolve in fat. So we have vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin C is called ascorbic acid. Now in vitamin B, we have these types of vitamin. Okay, so what all vitamins we have? We have vitamin A, D, E, and K. They are fat soluble, and vitamin B and vitamin C are water soluble. Now under vitamin B, we have these types of vitamins. Okay, so that they are vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. Okay, vitamin B1 is called thiamine. Then we have riboflavin. Then we have niacin. Then we have pantothenic acid. Then we have pyridoxine. Then we have biotin, folate, and cobalamin. Okay, so these are the vitamins which you need to know. Okay, you should remember these names. So do remember these names. Do remember these scientific names of these vitamins. Then next we have uh, we'll study the function and the deficiency uh, that it causes. So first we'll discuss about the fat soluble vitamins that are the vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So if we talk about vitamin A, the main source of vitamin A is from butter, egg, kidney, leafy vegetables. Okay, so they are the source of vitamin A. And vitamin A, it helps in having good vision. Okay, antioxidant. It functions as antioxidant. And the deficiency, if you have deficiency in vitamin A, then these are the diseases which one can go through. Okay, blindness and xerosis, ketomalacia, these are the deficiency. Vitamin A causes these deficiency. Then we have vitamin D. The source of vitamin D are fish, plant, milk, and exposure to sunlight. Exposure to sunlight is also main source of vitamin D. And the function of vitamin D is that it's strong. It will help to stronger your bones. And if you have deficiency of vitamins, then one can have these many diseases. Okay, rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. So okay, so here uh, uh, these are the disease related to bones. Then next, if we discuss about vitamin E, so the main source of vitamin E are meat, oil, egg, and leafy vegetables. And the function, it also functions as antioxidant. And the deficiency will cause muscle weakness and hemolytic anemia, खून की कमी. Okay, next we have vitamin K. The source of vitamin K is green vegetables, and this vitamin will help in the process of blood clotting. So when we have discussed about blood, when we have discussed the blood chapter, there we have discussed that platelets are the clotting factors. Okay, and this vitamin K will help in clotting process. Okay, and if uh, this will not if you have deficiency of vitamin K, then it can cause bleeding diathesis. Okay, so if platelets will not work properly, if clotting will not work properly, unwanted blood loss will be there from your body. So these are the functions of and deficiencies related to these vitamins. Okay, so these were fat soluble vitamins. Okay, fat soluble vitamins. A, D, E, and K, and we have discussed their functions and deficiencies. Now we'll discuss about water-soluble vitamins. Okay, and water-soluble vitamins are of two types, vitamin B and vitamin C, and under B we have these subtypes. So we'll discuss about them. So if we discuss about vitamin B, so vitamin B1, okay, these are the source, and function is the function is they function as coenzyme for several reactions, and these are the disease. So beriberi is one of the important disease, okay, that has been asked in lots of papers. So beriberi is caused because of the deficiency of vitamin B1. Okay, then we have vitamin B2. So the source of vitamin B2 are meat, fish, milk, egg, yeast, okay, green vegetables, and the deficiency that it causes is conjunctivitis and cirrhosis. Okay, so these are the deficiencies which are caused because of the lack of this vitamin. Then if we talk about vitamin B3, then the main source of vitamin B2 is meat, okay, legumes, cereals. Then here it causes glossitis and pellagra. Okay, so these are the diseases that are caused because of the deficiency of vitamin B3. Then if we talk about vitamin B5, so this is the source, and these are the deficiencies: alopecia, okay, dermatitis, enteritis. So these are the diseases. Adrenal insufficiency, okay, so deficiency of vitamin B5 causes these things. Then we'll move to our next slide. Here, the source of vitamin B6 are these, okay, and the deficiency are convulsion, irritation, it causes irritation, then peripheral neuropathy. So these are the deficiency that has been caused by vitamin B6. Then we have vitamin B7, okay, it causes muscle pain, okay, neurologic symptoms, alopecia, dermatitis. So this was about vitamin B7. Then we don't have vitamin B8, and we directly have vitamin B9. Vitamin B9, the main source is green leafy vegetables, and it causes anemia, megaloblastic anemia. Then last we have vitamin B12. So vitamin B12, the main source of vitamin B12 are meat and dairy product, and it causes pernicious anemia. So this was about water soluble vitamins. Okay, so this was about water soluble vitamins. Now in our next slide, we will classify the minerals. Okay, so earlier we discussed about the vitamins, now we'll study about the minerals. So we have two types, two minerals, okay, two classifications of minerals. They are macronutrients and micronutrients. Okay, macronutrients comprises fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, and micronutrients, they are present in trace element, and they comprises calcium, iron, minerals, vitamins, and vitamin C. Okay, so these are the micronutrients. Then we have this slide, okay, and here we have discussed about vitamins. These are the vitamins, minerals. So these are the minerals: sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine. So these are the minerals that are present in your body, and this is the requirement. Okay, so this much amount of mineral you all should have, okay, and they are the sources of minerals. These are the deficiencies that these minerals cause. Okay, so deficiency of sodium can cause muscle cramps. Deficiency of potassium can cause weakness of muscle and paralysis. Deficiency of calcium can cause rickets. Okay, they can soften the bones. Then deficiency of phosphorus can cause bad teeth and bones, yellowing of teeth. Then we have iron. Iron ka deficiency will cause anemia, and iodine ka deficiency will cause goiter. Okay, and then functions of these minerals. Okay, so potassium, the function is contraction of muscle. Here sodium, it controls water balance of our body. Then if we talk about calcium, okay, so calcium, it is essential in hardening of teeth. It helps in building strong bones and teeth. Then if we talk about iron, so in hemoglobin, uh, it helps in the formation of hemoglobin, iron. Okay, then last we have iodine. So iodine is essential for the formation of thyroxine. Thyroxine are produced in thyroid glands of the body. Okay, so iodine is required for that. If you have deficiency of iodine, it can cause your, it can damage the thyroid gland. Now next, we are done with vitamins and minerals. So we have discussed the vitamin part, we have discussed the mineral part. Now we'll discuss the nutrient part. Okay, so what are nutrients? Nutrients are the main origin of energy in our body. They give us energy. Okay, they help in building and repairing of body tissues. They raises the absorption of fat soluble vitamins, and they help in combination of collagen. They provide proper structure to bones, blood vessels and ligament, and they even help in the maintenance of homeostasis of the body. So homeostasis of the body means they will maintain the body temperature. Okay, so this was about nutrients. I hope things are clear, and I know friends that this chapter is all of theory. You have to mug up lots of things, so do try to remember these facts, because it was, this chapter was completely fact based. Here this chapter is not very interesting. Okay, it's all fact based, so try to remember these facts. And with this we are done with our chapter now. So thank you, and we'll meet some other time.